Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. This video I'm going to show you the What Can You Create challenge, the music version. So in this project, you can only use these types of blocks that you see on the screen. You can use as many of these as you want. You can add in a bunch of different sounds to use a bunch of different start blocks. You can combine these with here and combine that with here, and then you can duplicate this and put it together and change things around. You can use a ton of these different events, so you can make it so that the space key does this, but the left arrow does this, etc. And you can add in a bunch more sprites. So you're not limited by the number of sprites or the amount of blocks that you can use in here, but you are limited on the kinds of blocks that you can use. So when you open up this project or you're looking at the screen, just make sure you use the blocks that are up on the screen, the music, the looks, control, and event blocks, and have some fun making some awesome music with your keyboard. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.